Here's the answer for day 3. Find two different quadratic equations that have x-intercepts -1, 0, and 3, 0. Have one of them open upwards and one of them open downwards. First of all, I'm going to make a quick sketch of this so we can picture what's going on. -1, 0 is located right here, and 3, 0 is located right here along the x-axis. These are the x-intercepts. Now, do you see that there would be an infinite number of parabolas that could go through those two spots? For instance, one of the parabolas might look like this. But if we adjust the vertex down a little bit, another parabola could look like this. Or what if the vertex was right there? Then we get a much broader opening parabola. If the vertex was up above the x-axis, now the branches would be going downwards. There are an infinite number of parabolas that go through those two dots on the x-axis. We're only asked to find equations for two of them. So because those are the x-intercepts, they are zeros of the equation. So the x-intercept at -1 results in a factor of x plus 1. And the x-intercept at 3, 0 results in a factor of x minus 3. Here is the equation of a parabola, and the one that I wrote right now has a positive 1 in this position. It has a positive a value, so that parabola opens upwards. Now, if we want to make another equation and have it open downwards, we simply need to put a negative number in place of a, such as a negative sign, which would be a -1 for a. Here is the equation of a parabola which opens downwards. This could be any positive number you want, and this can be any negative number you want, and your two equations will satisfy what the question is asking about. The other thing you can do if you want to do some extra work is you could use FOIL and multiply these out and put them in standard form. For example, the first one is y equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. Maybe you recognize this as being a quadratic equation a little bit easier than when you're looking at it in this form. But these are both quadratic equations. We can do FOIL on the second one as well. We get -x squared plus 2x plus 3.